Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a while, 2-3 years maybe since I've done a video. Anyway, got rid of the Galaxy, and here is the new used ride. Well, actually it's 2 years old. I've had it for 2 years, and she's all stock, but we're gonna start doing some modifications here. Got tired of the way she looks and sounds, so we're gonna start with an exhaust. So let's unbox this. Okay, that was easy. It's a Magna flow system. 3.5-inch tips. All stainless steel. All the hardware. Looks like it's all there. Cool. So, hopefully this weekend I can shoot the installation video and you guys can check it out. We're gonna get this 68 Dodge Dart off the rack here. Get this one on here this weekend and start our installation. See you soon.